It's been some time for this stream. Um, I did fix some things. It's hard to say what it was because it was the some other crazy convoluted problem yesterday. Like, oh, what was it? Everything. Some some OpenGL error, invalid operation, and I got multi-threading input from Windows. By running a thread, it just pumps all the jobs. I did add I think a spin lock class, so it's very buttery smooth now on Windows, which like is kind of, it feels like the Android one. And notably, the destructor for the engine now both like deallocates some sort of thread, so that's always nice. It makes it feel like there's actually something going on here. Okay, so this is my player structure. This is like probably the most complex thing. There's a controller, there's a core, player core, and which is actually player type. Ugh. If I can just draw. For some reason the mouse is just like horrible when it comes to drawing. I don't know why it's skipping this much. Whatever. Maybe it's because of the cloth I'm on. I don't know. It runs really good when I control it like this, but for drawing it's bad. Whatever. Okay, let's figure out why our player is just like not in the right spot. It's going to be an interesting problem. Yeah, so player type is player controller. Oh no, or player core, I forget. So he has an update. Player core has an update. I mean a duck. I don't know why duck is inside. Or sorry, jump. I should make jump a part of player controller like I wanted to. Yeah, let's try to put this in here. I don't know why I would separate these two like this, but who cares for now. Yeah, okay, so in our gameplay class scene, whenever we press a button, we want it to be space. So on Android, it's this A key underscore A key underscore W. First, we have to like add a Windows key. I'll make it space. What I really want to do is add a sound. Let's see if we could like make the player jump. Let's see, what is Android Studio doing? I don't think I've even used it yet today. Do we have any? Oh yeah, we have the more performance cell phone online. I've been like charging it with off the other computer. It's been working good. It even accepts mouse input. I mean keyboard input sometimes, which is nice because I've made the keyboard input work. So I don't have to have the on-screen UI for jumping, and I already have that on-screen UI somewhere. Not like I have a basic way to lay it out, but I have to fix all the buttons. I fixed one button. Yeah, designing UI. for 2D platformer is like elite amount of work. It's just like 90% of the project. There's no point. Alright, is ground is now defined in this scope. Oh great, that's why it didn't put it in there. It didn't put it in there because, well, we do have the player core in here. So what we could do, let's just do that. Who cares? Or what it could do is this, can call this. Yeah, and depending on what the state of the player is, what was this video talking about? It was talking about this branching AI stupidity.
You can see that if statement, we call that a conditional. It could either be true or false. So let's say it's true. If A is true, then we can do B and do C.
Repeater.
But if A is false, then it goes back up to the.
Okay. See what would happen if we did this. Make player states like Sonic and Mario for dash from jump and super jump and duck and add bounce off walls, wall jump, and other unexpected state machine player controller stuff like this diagram for these classes. Now our player controller doesn't work yet, so we're just gonna like, I don't even know what we're gonna do. Who cares? We'll just garbage in, garbage out. It won't like hurt us to do this. It'll give us good ideas. So I already have some good ideas, but I forgot this morning. It's like you start working on the technical stuff and you forget completely about like what the hell. To tell it all this shit. I only tell it the shit that you wanted to concentrate on. Okay. Should have compiled. Oh, it does that. Oh. Damn it. Alright, so compiled here, right? Okay. So we have our UI that's like cool. Hover mouse works. But mouse doesn't really work on this device. So like if I use my finger, hover over this, yeah, we see that it's like that. Oh, it takes us to this menu. This is the main menu. It'll disconnect if I hit that. It's funny how it sometimes disconnects, sometimes it'll just do that. So if I hit shopping cart, okay, we have the text, but we don't see the player. Where the fuck is he? Wow. That's nice. I don't think we even have colored text yet. Oh, really? Yeah, I don't know even how I got like that garbage right there. Yes, my build includes windows.h and makes it slower, but I don't care. It's just a sacrifice that has to be made. I mean, I could strip it down and have a win light.h and stuff. Alright, so I should have downloaded this sound. I think the player just fell off the map. That's really what happened. Like, where the hell is he? The camera should have followed him. Wait, what the hell? Oh, okay. I know why the camera didn't follow him. Yeah, we have to modify some shader or something. Something's broken. But it's not like I haven't gotten this to work like 6 or more times. It's just... Alright, what is this going to update? It's just going to update the camera variable, right? So we just put it in front of this. Or whatever. Whatever that's going to do. Oops, it's not like PHP. You can't just... Let's add some debugger fields, I guess. If def debug text player pose. I want acceleration too. I don't even have an acceleration variable. What's going to happen now? Oh yeah, we're following. Well, at least the camera's following him, and it's doing this really cool effect. Or like it LARPs. That's actually cool. So how do we restart this? Oh shit. Yeah, and the mouse input for Windows now is buttery smooth, and it travels outside the window, which is nice. We should be able to like later make a settings menu and add full screen. Okay. What we need is a reset button. We just need a button that'll just like send them somewhere. It'd be nice to also have like a direct input button. But we're just like OS programming at this point. We'll just do this right here. I don't know why we didn't copy this. text fields are still a little bit primitive. They could be a little bit more easier to use, but that's just like the way this goes. Alright, we have to grab that. Let's do this. Oh great, I fucked this up. Okay. Oh, I don't know, I set it to 4. Whatever. Stupid. Whatever. Oh wait, this is not update, this is create. Okay. Oops. Let's just init these first. Does it just do this and start graphics? Or does it do these? Ah, crap. It's like lost. Does it have to only do this once? Yeah, it just does this. No, it does it here. We have to carry this endif around. Because if we want these text fields just to go away later, it's like magic. Whatever, just make it compile. It doesn't even matter. Okay, what the hell did we want to do? I wanted to fix like where the player starts. I have to like increase the X or something. just a stupid way of doing it, putting it right here. The Android sometimes compiles a lot faster than the Windows because it has just like less overhead. The more bloated it gets, Windows gets slower. Have to remember not to use the mouse on this. Okay, we have the text fields 1, 2, 3, 4. They're kind of in the wrong position. What is this little red dot? It's not on the screen over there. Is it? It is. There is a red dot right there, being drawn somehow. Whatever that is. Alright, so we have a healthy surface. Alright, what we can do now. I don't know which sprintf we have here. In Visual Studio, it always wants the safety one, but who cares? And it should change position too. Okay. Oops. Gotta put this in here. Let's see. Update. Alright, fuck this. The hell is it? crap we can try to do. This is not even that good. It's not like soniced out. Did I download this shit? What happened?
Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
Fuck. Why? Oh, hit cancel.
Ugh.
He has a certain voice, but it's actually good and bad. Let's see what happens when we invert.
Ugh.
Let's do anything.
Huh? 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 Ugh. Ugh. Huh? Huh? Ugh.
One kind of sounds like it's doing something else, like he's like punching or being punched. Whatever, we'll just generate more. I don't even have OGG working on this yet, so I don't even know why I'm doing this part. Whatever. I actually need a wave sound first, but that's the whole problem. It's like go into 4 hours of coding and then end up doing 44 days, 40 hours and then 4 days. Let's try to tell it, yeah, do a coyote time once we're done fixing jump.
Ugh.
How does he know about these two guys? Oh, it's because of what I sent him. Well, what the hell is this guy? This green guy wasn't there. It added this weird thing.
Ugh.
It's funny how it has like a little
Ugh.
halo, but it's not really a halo.
Ugh.
There's no halo.
Ugh.
Still is generating. Let's see what the fuck. Okay. Why is this health not set? Oh, it's because it's the position. The mouse in this makes it really weird when it's like updating to where the player is. Oh, now we're moving. Like what direction though? Okay. Oh, we can see where we are. Where x equals. Does the x keep getting smaller? Yeah, the x keeps getting like largely smaller. Why the fuck is he like the gravity in the X direction? It's so smoked out. I mean, we could debug it in here with printf, no problem. But that's not the point. The whole point with building this text renderer was so like we wouldn't have to use immediate mode UI. Alright, so he has is ground true, enables jump, platform, so he collides. He doesn't like fly down like he used to. X equals movement, X horizontal. Y will move, vertical movement. Okay, do we have vertical movement in both these functions? Probably. It's like, what the fuck? Yeah. But here he's just adding speed. This he's clamping shit. Okay. It's already mental. Whatever. I would actually like to set up like collision and ring bumpers first, but it's also good to do this and just branch off. Whatever. Which one of these is like the hardcore? Add friction. Damn it, I forgot what it was called. Slower, downer, decay. Decay it's called. I wanted to add more decay to X. Yeah, ground friction and air resistance. What if the air resistance is higher than ground friction? It should be. Oh, the other part of this is we don't have delta time inside of. So what does this do? If x 0. This is incorrect right here. If it's like close to 0 like this, you just set it to 0. Yeah, like you have to define an epsilon. Stupid ass floating point bullshit. Oh, it realized it needs a delta time inside of resolve collisions. Okay. So we should just copy paste this like zombies? Yeah, why not? We don't have that much logic to care about. It is getting spammy though. I kind of feel like just deleting everything in here. I like horde code. Oh well. So we do this, right? Let's just test this code. And then this will just be commented out. This, well, we won't comment this out so the compiler is happy. And then we'll just put this in, but like not put it in. We'll just do the player logic. We won't even do the collisions yet, so we don't fall. Well, We will fall, won't we? Yeah, we should. Or we have to make it so he dies or something. Damn it, what will this do? Let's see. We're just gonna update that. We're gonna have to redefine the collisions here anyway. What? Oh, it's just like a general function. We don't even need it. So what the fuck? Like, why is he not colliding with the world anyway? Maybe we should build a box around him? Resolve collisions. First update the player, then resolve the collisions. Yeah, we should look at the other stuff. Let's just see if it compiles. Who cares? This is just like fun testing. Let's see what it generated here. Damn it, it's still generating? Takes it a minute for it to generate these videos. And all we want is the sound. We don't even care about the graphics. It's funny. Damn it. Alright, so we've got a few syntactical problems. It's good to define stuff like X, Y, W, H, VX, TY. Because it just makes writing the physics code so much faster. How is he saying velocity X is plus equals velocity? Like, what the fuck is the AI smoking? Like, he sees it's VX right here. Like, how is he fucking this up? Yeah, it's very like, it's like coding like 15-year-old thing. It's like, oh, it's called this now. We have two velocity variables, which actually was not a bad idea. You just press a button and you just switches to a different velocity program altogether. That'd be a good one. What, can we do this thing where we like split the prompt? Which response is more helpful? Splitting the prompt. Let's just split a prompt like this. Okay, let's copy this and put all this back. Save what we had. Save it again. Prompt. What if we had two velocity variables and could press button to change player movement between them, making game movement of player cooler. Just copy paste it just like that. Who cares? It'll figure it out. I hope. Whatever. Yeah, I should be working on more, like core features like sound and. All right, so like let's say we had the sound.
Huh? Huh?
We could try. Let's do wave file 44. This is jump 1 or jump 2? Just jump that wave. Whatever. So what we would do at first, in order to get our, I do have like a kind of an audio system already, which just allocates like 4 channels or like 4 buffers or 8 or whatever. Just does it that way. It does it like the most stupidest way possible, but it works. So let's see. Go to Android project. Will it add it to the Android project into the main folder? It should. Like if you just go to asset sound, right, and just paste it. Yeah, it'll put it into this folder if you copy paste it in there. Then it should package it now. Let's just rerun this too. Like what the fuck did we do? We should have fixed. Alright, so that's where the position is. Okay. So we know its position. The position doesn't update yet. Oh god, moving the mouse sucks. Can't move the player. Damn it. Okay, it does like the same thing. Oh, we can't click here. It should have crashed us out for doing that. Yeah, we have to start adding on-screen buttons. So why is, oh yeah, the resolution is not valid. So let's add that resolution function. What the fuck? We'll call it resolution 2. We'll just pump delta time that's in here. We could just retrieve delta time inside there. Oh no, we can't, because it's a local function. What's this crap? Okay. It'll take the player's Y. This is the problem here, like, because, well, he's not, when he updates this, is grounded, but is grounded is being set to false. So he'll execute this. He'll take this gravity, put it into here, because this will execute. I think this will execute first, or the next frame. Either way. This just does X shit. This just clamps Y. Okay, this just collides with all the boxes. This just moves them vertically, or horizontally, or whatever. Like X. And X does not. Okay, and Vx, if there's acceleration, he will accelerate. But it doesn't do X movement. And then hitting the wall of the platform. This just does jumping shit. I don't understand why he just didn't do it all in one loop. I'm guessing it's because of this. Because he has to update X before he does this part. Whatever. I guess that's the reason. He has to loop through it twice. Well, what you could do is you could update X right here. Then do stuff in next loop. Like that would be an optimization. I don't know why he just like does this twice. It's fucking stupid. It's like dumb. But whatever. We're not gonna lose too much performance. Okay, core player X velocity, game player scene, class player has no vel X, vel X. Okay, we have this stupid ass problem. Oh, it's dumb. Well, at least it gave me an idea of being dumb like this. Just want to be a little bit safer. Like, yeah. It's like carpal tunnel shit it gives you. Like, here, have some carpal tunnel. Do this. Copy paste a lot. Alright, what would it tell me if I just told it, hey, I want you to play a sound? I should actually try to use the flash one. Play a sound in C++. My input code. I have jump.wave. Like that, like that should be sufficient. Like I could figure out that if somebody gave me a stupid Fiverr job on how to do it. I would just start Googling like a lot. Let's try that. Let's try the manual approach here. Waves. I do have the sample in my source code. Sound play. Oh, yeah. Stupid. It just gave me all this garbage. Oh, Stack Overflow. Here we go.
I've started using an invisible AI notepad for my client calls. It gives me structured,
That's great.
professional.
Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley here, and today I am going to be showing you how to play music in C++. So let's file that's going to be played. So in Visual Studio, you can right click.
That's the stupidest way to do it. Okay. Let's just do this shit. We'll just go into our platform folder, PC. Shit. Oh yeah, open a file. Windows main, play, wave, jump. And it'll be... Oh, that's retarded. Shit. I said it. Damn it. Oh well. I don't want the see out shit. What is this W fucking string shit? Shit looks scary. This is such not a good way to do it. Oh well. Windows play jump.cpp. Windows play jump.h. And we'll just like do the most resourceful thing we can. We'll add head guards like super fast. And just name this place sound test 1. We should name it audio instead of play sound, but like whatever. Alright, and player controller. Should player type or player controller or player core do it? Player core should really do it. But we don't have a jump in player core yet. We'll just add this here. He'll play the jump sound. But we have to include the fucking sound library that we just added. But, damn it. Where's the guard? We can't do it on Android. I mean, we can next. Or we might as well set it up so we can do both. We'll do it like this. Android else, and if it's like 1, 2, whatever, slash PC slash, what is bullshit called? Does this file need to include that file? It doesn't matter if it does. It just makes it easier later. Alright, so when he jumps, what will this do? Alright, player controller, jump up, core player is grounded. Yeah, so only if he's on the ground. Let's just play it no matter what. Move into is grounded if statement, whatever. What does this do? Alright, he's like standing there now. We could accelerate, decelerate. What if we try to jump? Alright, we're just moving, we're not jumping. Oh shit, we fall like... We do have gravity, but we can circumvent it. Nice. We are a little bit like upside down. Shit. What does space do? Space doesn't do shit. Why? Why doesn't the space do shit? It should. Let's increase our FOV. It was 45, so we'll just like leave this here and then just do this. The reason we want this to be a variable is later we could move out the variable. Like we could just dynamically change it on the spot. Like a lot of games won't do that, I think. Like they'll allow you to change this. Oh, fucking insert. Fucking insert. Numlock, damn it. And yeah, in first-person shooters, they have some really funny videos. People like playing the whole game, like stupid FOV. They just play it through the replay player, I think, most of the time. Or is it? Should be right here. Yeah, space, key, jump up. Player controller, jump up. It's smoked out. Probably not gonna compile. Player controller, player controller. Let's just make sure it's doing it. We could add Windows guards, but it just ignores it if it's Android. It's kind of funny how it works. It's kind of good and bad, because you end up like getting lazy and like not wanting to put the guards up or the ifdefs. They call them guards or ifdefs. Well, they're guards when they're in the H file, but they're kind of also guarding garbage from being just polluted everywhere. I love polluting the code. It's just like an answer to everything. Just pollute. Who cares? Alright, we have this garbage ass shit. It recognized the sound library. Error, no matching function. Printf is not declared in the scope. F you. I don't care. Shit. We're gonna need printf in here anyway. Okay, we'll fix that. GCC sometimes is nice. It tells you shit, like just stupid little shit. Memcopy is not a member of STD. No shit. We don't need STD for memcopy. Let's just fix that. I don't think this code the AI wrote is very usable. Like, it got some of it right, I can tell. Like, this header, it's fine. And obviously I'm not loading the OGG yet, and I could. I do have a thing that does it. But the way I build it is really stupid, because I build it out of C and then merge it with C++. And why the fuck? Is it both of these that don't really have this? Memcopy and memstd is std. Okay, so it will take this. This W string, is that even valid? Smoked out, okay. Okay, we should get rid of like half of these errors. We'll fix the player jump declaration while that's... No, the jump declaration is there. The fuck? Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll get that error, but that's stupid. What we really need to do with this stupid ass function... Oh, this is dumb. It's like break it down. And that's the problem with the audio system. You have to be really picky. And then you want to be able to play MP3 and OGG. I mean, the simple answer on Windows is just call play sound. But that's not how you're... Yeah, it's dumb. Okay. Yeah, this GitHub code that's human made is a lot better than this AI generated fucking garbage. He's got sleep in here to reduce CPU consumption. Nice. Alright, if this has one more error, I'm not gonna use it. I'm not. It's just like... this is garbage. This is actually not garbage, it's trash. It's horrible trash. This is a lot easier to work with. There's a few like mods we need to do to this just to like make this work. I'm pretty sure it blocks IO. I'm almost positive. Like 99% this will block IO. Just need to do like one little fix. Or actually two. Let's see. Change main to that. We don't need to check the WIF ID, wave ID, format ID, and data ID. The format, the PCM, only PCM data, 2-channel. This is a 2-channel. I don't know how many bits per cycle. We might have to get rid of all these asserts, but what if we left them there? They might error on these asserts. Assert might not be defined. Assert result. Yeah, this has like no auto, like just no stupid ass shit. The stupidest shit is the stupid ass assert. It's like so human written code. Alright, we got some header file. No, we didn't. We added all the header files he wanted. it just told us what the problem was inside the result. We know that it's defined to be that. No. What is this? Hi, shit, taking over everything. What is this AI session types crap? It's like the formatting. Yes, how do I include it? How to include. We need this. I don't know why he didn't include it. Used to be included. Let's just try that. Whatever. I think that's the only header we need. Windows.age AI session types. It's spelled with these capital. Then there's this like new